Hello, this is Fernando with Innovative Office Solutions. Today I will be demonstrating to you on how to download and install the RICOH Smart Device Connector app onto a mobile device. By installing the RICOH Smart Connector app, you will have the capabilities of printing and scanning from your own mobile device and have less of a need to use and touch the copier's touchscreen. First, you will need to go to the App Store on your Apple device or the Play Store on your Android device. In the search box, you will search for RICOH Smart Device Connector and then click Download. After the download is complete, click Open. Click on Agree on User License Agreement to proceed. Slide all tabs to the left and then click OK. Click OK at the bottom of the New Functions tab, and your RICOH app installation is complete. So at your copier, we hit the Home button, then we hit the Systems, Machine Features, System Settings, Interface Settings, Machine IP Address, and locate your IP. Once you've located, you want to cancel, exit, and then hit the home to bring you back to the home screen. Now that you have your equipment's IP address, we will be adding the device onto your RICOH Smart Device Connector app. Go ahead and click on Connect with QR code. Then click on Add Machine. Next, click on Add by IP address / hostname. Now, enter your equipment's IP address. For example, 192.168.1.100. Click Done. Next, click Search. Once the app has found your equipment, click on Register. After the equipment has been registered, tap on the device to select it. Then tap on the back button to return to the main screen.